Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Box on ChromeOS, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Chromebook and ensure you are connected to the internet. Locate the Google Chrome browser on your device. Click on the Chrome icon to open the browser. In the address bar at the top, type box.com and press enter. You will be redirected to the Box login page. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the page and click on it. A new page will appear asking for your credentials. Enter your email address associated with your Box account in the first field. Next, click on the Next button to proceed. You will now be prompted to enter your password. Type your password into the second field. After entering your password, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Box account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, explore your Box dashboard to access your files and folders. For easy access in the future, consider bookmarking the Box website. To do this, click on the star icon in the address bar and follow the instructions. Now you can efficiently manage your documents on Box using your Chromebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.